Hey everybody, it's Becky, and I'm going to do something a little different. I want to start doing, some different videos. So anyway, I'm going to show my super simple pot roast recipe. So I always make it in the crock pot. I don't even try to make it in the oven. So what I just bought this at Walmart. It's a chuck pot roast, beef boneless chuck roast. And this is the same kind I always get. And I think you need to try to get some with a little bit of fat. Usually they have a little bit of fat because I've heard that makes it cook up more tender. So, and actually I've got 3 ingredients. I should have started with that. I've got a can of cream of mushroom soup. We're going to use 1 envelope of the Lipton onion soup, and then we're going to have our roast. So let me start with putting the soup in the bottom. What I'm going to put in is 1 can of mushroom soup, and then I'm going to fill the can up with a can of water. We're going to put a can of water in also. And of course I have a cat at my feet. Okay, so I've got my can of water. I'm going to try to get the rest of the soup out of there. Just put that in, stir it up a little bit. You don't even have to stir it that much. It'll all combine on its own. Okay. And then I'm going to put my roast in. And then, without washing my hands, because I'm on film, I'm going to get one of these envelopes out, and I'm just going to shake it up a little bit. I'm just going to sprinkle it evenly over the top of the roast. Maybe I can show you. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. This is super simple, but it's really a good recipe. I make this all the time. So let's see, if you can see it, I've just sprinkled that. Can you see it? You see it now? Okay, so I've just sprinkled that on top. And what I'm going to do is put the lid on, turn it on low, and low is the key. If you cook it on low, then it's really tender. So I'm going to cook it on low for probably about 6 hours, and I don't know, at about 5 hours I'm going to take the lid off and see if it just kind of flakes off with a fork. Because you want to be careful not to cook it so long that you cook all the flavor out of it. So low, and it'll vary by crock pot, but probably like 5 to 6 hours, sometimes a little longer, and you'll have a really tender, good pot roast for dinner. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please share the video, like and subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you guys later. Bye.